another car video, and I can't believe we're doing it, but we're doing it. We're doing a car video, and it is sunny as fuck out here. All right, so the video that we're doing today is gonna be, well, it's not just today, but it's gonna be about all the other days. All right, it's finally officially the mods on the Nissan Altima. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around, and we're gonna talk about the car. But before I do, guys, the reason why I haven't done any videos about the car is because 2020 was crazy, right? Coronavirus and all that crap, and it's 2021. Oh, happy 2021 besides that. All right, and the car is right here. There it is. All right, we're gonna talk about all the outside mods first, and then we're gonna go inside. All right, so you might see me wearing this shirt probably in the next 3 or 4 or 5 videos, episodes, whatever. But enough of me talking. Hope you guys ready. I'm gonna turn around and let's go. Whoop. All right, so this is the car, 2010 Nissan Altima. I know that part. I know. All right, so we're just gonna go around it real quick, and then this and that will just be the intro to like just these first few 4 videos or 5 videos, however much I do. Now, we're not gonna talk about anything that's missing. All right, we're not gonna talk about anything else. But as of right now, you guys know how the car is. I know. All right, look. I'm just look. I know. We're just, man. Let's just roll the video. Let's. What's going on? Welcome back to mod list number 3. All right, and this one is the no, it's not that. All right, this one is the window visors. All right, visors, these right here, these bad boys right here. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. Now, I had a rear roof visor. If you guys watched all my videos, you guys know what I'm talking about. I had one before. As you guys could see, I had to take it off. I took it off because it was cracking and it was really old. That visor was given to me from by a friend of mine's that had a 08 Nissan Altima. All right. It's really good. It looks really nice. Still can't believe. So mod list probably number 5 or 6 will be the paint right here. And I did this a long time ago, and it still looks new and shiny. Still looks kind of good. But the visors, now these visors, I got them off of eBay long time ago. All right, like most of the stuff I did in the car, let me go ahead and back up so you guys can see the car more. Most of the stuff I did on the car, I did in 2016 when I bought the car. Like that whole year, I did a lot of stuff to the car. All right, so the visors is one of them, and that literally cost me literally 20 bucks off of eBay. I'm pretty sure they're cheaper now. But these visors, they're not so there's a bunch of different visors, right? There's some that goes inside of the window, like that goes in there, but these go outside. And there's some that comes all the way down to here, all right? Like you see how this doesn't connect all the way? And then there's some that fits perfectly, and it goes all the way, like it reaches all the way down. For some reason, I couldn't find that one, and this is what I was stuck with. Now, I had this for a while, and I had reapplied them on the car because one day, you see, it's brand new tape, so it's literally not gonna go anywhere. I had them on the car before, but one day my dad was like, hey, let's go get a mattress. I know guys, I know. If you want to know what happened right here, check it's a video on the channel. It's me sitting down looking sad as fuck. That's how the video is. So my dad was like, hey, let's go get a mattress, and he put it on the roof of my car, and he tied it. Like he tied, the windows were down, and the tie went across, and it was like almost bending these I don't know if you guys can see, but like they're a little, it's just cracked a little bit, but it really ruined the look. So I had to take them all off, and thankfully the glue that was on it was already coming off. So I just took them off, and I had them off the car for almost a whole year. But then I started to get into like really heavy modifying the car again, and then I was like, all right, let me go ahead and reapply them, and I re-put them on. And you know, I was stunting for a while. You know, I mean, all in all, guys, this car is a beautiful car. I really did love it. All right, a Nissan Altima. I know the only problem is the CVT transmission, but sadly they fixed that, but not in my year. All right, they fixed that in the newer models. It's just, it sucks because my year sucked, but that's all right because this car is still a beautiful car nonetheless. All right, but the visors is mod number 3. Real easy, real simple to apply. Some of them come with 3M tape, so you just had to just, you know, pull the tape off, wipe the seal, wipe everything nice, and then just stick it on there. It literally, it took me a good 20 minutes to do all this because I had to wipe it, wait for it to dry, and then I had to, you know, do everything by myself. The rear visor was the same because I had to align everything, make sure, like, literally, guys, there's a video of me installing the window visors, so it's on the channel. Go ahead and check it out. I'll put the link for that in the description so you guys could see it. All right, and besides that, mod number 3 is all done. I think I'm gonna take a picture of the car like this and put window visors. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. All right, guys, so this is it for the first 4 mods on the car. All right, you got the eyelids, you got the HID lights, you have the window visors, the intake, and the engine bay. All right, so those are the 4 that's gonna go up now. And now I know that, you know, I've been away from doing my car for a while, but that's because 2020 hit, right? And you guys know a lot of stuff happened in 2020. You know, COVID, a lot of people dying, a lot of people losing their jobs, just everything going downhill. And you know, for me too, like, you know, I was working for about 2 or 3 months, which should have gave me opportunity to work on the car, but it kind of, you know, everybody was depressed. Like, I was a little sad and depressed at the time, and I didn't want to, you know, upload any videos on the car channel or anything, like, or any type of videos really, because all I was doing was just waking up every day, working out, going outside to run, or sorry, I got dust in my mouth, or I would just you know, just be in a room playing a game with my friends, you know, my PS4 or PS5, whatever, you know, they have. But then, you know, this year hits, and what I kept doing was I was doing car stance videos. I think the middle of last year is when I started, or the ending of last year. I don't remember. I'm not too sure. But I started doing car stance videos because my car channel was like, a video haven't went up in almost like 4 or 5 months, and I was just like, holy shit, you know, like, this channel is gonna be the channel that, you know, gets me there. So I was like, I can't just not upload on this channel. You get it? So that's why I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and just do car stance videos like that. You know, it's still cars, and it's about cars that I like and they look nice, what I like about them, you know, what I don't like. Oh, it looks nice, it's low, you know, this and that. And I just kept up the pace on that until the other day. I got a comment on one of the car stands videos that says, yo, upload videos about your car. And I was like, damn, I was hoping that no one would have asked about the Nissan, but someone did. And I was like, you know what, I did promise mod list videos about all the mods that I have on the car. So I went ahead and I started the first 4. I'm not too sure how many mods I have on the car, but we will see at the end of that mod list. I don't know, but we'll see. So thank you guys so much for sticking around. We're almost at 500 subs. All right. The goal for this year is to at least hit 1,000 subs. So let's go ahead and let's hit it, guys. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, comment. I love you all. Be safe out there. And just thank you for all the support on the car channel. We keep growing more and more every day. All right. These are gonna go up on the Facebook group, so make sure if you're not on Facebook group, on the Nissan Facebook group, that's all right. And also, the new cars coming up this year is the year March or April. One of those 2 months is when the new car is gonna be dropped on the channel. I'm excited for it. It's gonna have turbo built in. That's all you guys are gonna know. It's gonna be automatic. It's gonna be automatic. Sorry about that. It's gonna be automatic and it's gonna have turbo built in. That's all I'm giving you guys. If you guys can guess what it is, let me know in the comments down below, and I would say yes or no. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right. Peace.